just picked this up a couple years ago. The starboard rail. Yes. Borrow a sailing phrase. Here's what we're working with on this board. This actually just came off another board. It's a good example of what happened on this board. This right here is the lamination or the laminating layer. See how there's two layers here? This is the one with color, and this is the clear finish. When you see a ding like what we're working on today, and it's white, this is basically peeled off from the lam. And so what we're trying to do is sand through all this, but not through this layer, and then re-glass it with clear resin.
Alright, so now we're just going to rough this up a bit with some 120 grit sandpaper. Laminating resin, UV catalyst, and chopped fiberglass. So that's Solarez right there. Like I got one side of this. Have a nice clear flat sheet of plastic. Generally, like I'll just flip it around and hit it for like 10 seconds on each side just to harden it enough so it doesn't move.
It's not, okay, so if this starts happening where it's sticking to the bag rather than the board, that means it's probably on a spot you didn't sand. Yep, so just keep peeling it. So this part, I hate to tell you, is what's gonna be painstaking, and this is what takes forever. Get some 120 grit sandpaper, maybe even less, maybe 60 grit sandpaper. Put it on something flat too. This is another tip that I would tell people. You know, even a nail file or something, and just glue your sandpaper to that. That way you have a hard surface, and that's gonna bring the stuff down a lot faster.